Today we're checking out the Upper Grille Overlay in gloss black for the 2019 to 2021 Silverado 1500, LT, LT Trail Boss, LTZ, and RST. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to upgrade your truck's front end appearance with a slick, aggressive style, this overlay is going to be a great option. It's perfect for Silverado owners who want a bold, blacked out look without the hassle of a full grille replacement. This Upper Grille Overlay is designed to give your Silverado a custom, high-end look with its gloss black finish, providing a modern and aggressive appearance. It's one of the easiest and cost-effective ways to get away from that factory chrome look that not all truck owners are that big of a fan of. It's going to fit seamlessly over your existing grille, offering a factory-like fit without any extensive modifications. The overlay is going to enhance the truck's front end styling while still allowing for proper airflow to that radiator. Since it's a simple stick-on installation, it's going to be an easy install that we'll show you here in a minute if you stick with me. And it's going to be made even easier thanks to this pre-applied automotive grade adhesive, which is going to simplify that process even further. Whether you're looking to complement other blacked out exterior accents or simply want to delete that chrome look, this overlay makes a big impact with minimal effort. Made from durable ABS plastic, this grille overlay is built to withstand daily driving conditions, including that road debris, UV exposure, and those weather elements. The high-quality gloss black finish is going to be resistant to fading, chipping, and peeling, ensuring a long-lasting, premium look. Its lightweight, yet impact-resistant construction provides protection while maintaining durability. And the high-quality adhesive on the back is going to make sure it's an upgrade that's going to last you for the long haul. Now, as far as pricing goes on this whole setup, it's going to come in right around that low to mid 300s price range, which is a solid price point for giving your truck a new look and getting rid of that chrome look without replacing the full grille. Installation on this is going to be very straightforward, so we're rating this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 15 minutes of your time. Since it's a simple press-on overlay, installation is as simple as lining it up and pressing it onto the existing grille. Just make sure you clean and prep that surface really well for the best adhesion before you install it. Now, let's head on out to the shop and see exactly how this goes on your Silverado.
First install, you need the supplied adhesion promoter and a towel. All right, today we're going to be installing a grille overlay on our Silverado, so let's get started. Now, before we apply our overlays, we need to just prep our surface. So we have our supplied adhesion promoter. You just crack a glass capsule inside there and it'll allow the adhesion promoter to come out of the front sponge. Once that soaks up, you just wipe that on this front surface all the way across the grille where our double-sided tape goes. We're just going to do a little section here just to show you. And then if you have any extra, you can wipe it off, but you really just want to let this dry on there. Now continue all the way across the grille, and we're going to start with our center section first. So now we're going to install our center section first. You just want to peel the red backing on your double-sided tape. As you see, I did that for most of them, besides this one. Just simply peels off. Now the skinnier part does go towards the top. We're just going to line it up around our emblem and then push it on. And then just push it all the way across, making sure that double-sided tape sticks good. So we're going to continue onto our outside edge now. Now we did the center first because this will lay over the middle piece. Now we're going to start by just putting it on the outside and forming it over, pushing it on tightly, just like so. Now we can go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Now for the other side, as you see, double-sided tape, the backing is pulled off. So we're going to do the same thing. Start on the outside and work our way in. Just push it on all the way across. And that wraps up our install of our Upper Grille Overlay gloss black for our 2019-21 Silverado 1500, LT, LT Trail Boss, LTZ, and RST. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.